Do you want to change the keyboard backlit timeout settings in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you are a night owl and spend long hours working in darkness, having an illuminated keyboard can be a big help. A backlit keyboard is one where the keys are illuminated to get better visibility in low light environments. So, you probably use a better computer when you have a backlit keyboard on your Windows. Here is how to configure the backlight timeout settings. Let's get started. Method 1. Use BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your PC or laptop and then immediately press the dedicated BIOS key repeatedly until the BIOS opens. You can visit your manufacturer's website or go through the user manual to know the exact BIOS key. When the BIOS opens, use the arrow keys to navigate to the Advanced tab. Navigate to the built-in device options and then press Enter. In the built-in device options from the list of options displayed, select Backlit Keyboard Timeout. To expand its menu, continue pressing the spacebar key. This action will force the BIOS settings to open the keyboard backlight settings. Here, select the timeout setting you want. If you choose to select the Never, the backlight will remain on for an extended period of time, which could take a toll on the notebook battery power. If you find that there is no setting for the backlit timing in the BIOS, this behavior might not be supported on that PC or laptop. In such a case, you will need to check the product support documentation for your notebook model to confirm support. Method 2. Use OEM software. Some manufacturers may provide software or utilities to control keyboard backlight settings. For instance, use Dell QuickSet or Dell Power Manager, HP Command Center, ASU, Armory Crate, Lenovo Vantage, or Acer Quick Access. Locate the setting within your chosen tool and use it. Method 3. Use keyboard. Locate and press the key with the backlight icon to turn off or on keyboard backlight. You might have to use the function key with it. On some laptops, you can use function plus space or function plus F5 or F10 or similar key combination in junction with the backlight key to adjust the timeout. To check out the specific key combination, check your user manual or visit the manufacturer's website. For more details and advanced methods, you can follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.